Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your boy Kabir Khanna on Kabir's stream. And today, yet again, I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how I make money on casino with the app that I have made, with the AI that I have built over the past couple of years. And now we just get into playing and making some money. And also don't forget about my Telegram channel. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that I do live streams on Tuesday, Thursday, and also Friday. So, like I said, all the information is on my Telegram. Nice. Six freaking X'd my money. Tell me one single instance that you will be ready to bet your money completely unknown that it can go till like 2x or maybe 1000x, and then you take out the money right at the right time. Like, what are the chances of you going till 6x? Maybe it's completely on your risk taking instincts. Like, I want to go till that number and then I'll take out the money. But this thing gives you a structure, shows you where you can actually go to. And then you can take out the money. 8x the money again. Now, all we have to do is wait for this round to start up and then we run the round analysis. So, let's go. Nice, 750 profit over there. And go on. As you can see, just made almost 1,000 from that as well. Started out from 8,000, now at already 10,270. So guys, by the way, I'm so proud of myself for making this AI, क्योंकि एक single touch of a button and you can just change the game, take out the money, whatever you want to do, it's in a single touch. Okay, because it's not cool for anyone. Everybody gets confused, like, how do you know the results and stuff like that? How is your game Have you downloaded the game, by the way? Like, what's up? Look at this. AI बता रहा है सब कुछ. AI is absolutely going bonkers. Purpose of you being here if you're not gonna do anything. So let's go again. Nice. And do not risk it, and that's all. Basically, if you're gonna go in to play this kind of game, you're bound to lose money because you're gonna be depending completely on luck. If you try to look at some structures, they won't work. The AI gives you the upper hand on these websites so that you can actually go in. Look at this, on dot correct. But still, it's impossible to take out the money at the right time. On dot correct. Oh my god. Take out the money over here. 1,000 rupees again. Okay. It is going a lot higher. So the synchronization is a little bit off, I think, because of the algorithms of the game changing constantly. Okay. Nice. Wait a second. And there you go, take out the money, 3x my money easily. And we're only gonna get higher. Let's go again. Hopefully it does not lowball us, by the way. Nice. Take out the money at the right time, and that's basically all you have to do. Nice. Take out the money at the right time. Slow start. Big numbers, but it is going slow, so I'm gonna go halfway. And take out the money at half time, because sometimes the synchronization, when it's off, you can take it out at half and it should be go. But I could have made the exact amount right over here. Okay, go again. Nice. How are you, by the way, Astra? How's life? Still trying to exit the matrix. 6x my money. Nice. Then we take out the money, simply 3xing it. I mean, I went a little bit low now because I wanted to risk something. But, you know, shit happens. And it's all okay. We're gonna make it back. And we're gonna make it big. Nice. Okay, let's wait. I think I will go at like half. Maybe, fuck it, let's go for all. Listening to the AI has just changed my life. Nice score. As the synchronization was a little bit off, I am tempted to take it out from the halfway, but let's not do that. Let's go all in. And maybe even more. You know, it can be a synchronization off on the other side. I should have taken out my money at the right time. As the AI told me, getting greedy will get you killed.